Why does concrete crack? There are two main reasons why concrete would crack. The first one is if you're talking about new concrete, you're pouring fresh concrete and then the concrete cracks. Why does it do this? And the simple answer is that we're going to add a bunch of water when making a concrete mix: sand, gravel, cement, and water. The water will get used as part of a chemical actuation process when the concrete is hardening, and eventually that water won't be there anymore. It's gone, it's evaporated, it's used up chemically speaking, it's no longer there physically speaking. All that weight that we added is gone. The concrete now is physically smaller than it used to be. When the concrete shrinks like that, that is when it cracks. There's nothing you can do about it. You know it's going to crack because it does shrink. The best you can do is you cut control joints in and try to encourage it to crack in certain areas. But ultimately, it is expected that concrete will crack because it shrinks as it cures. So why else does concrete crack? Well, one of the ways that concrete will crack is it will be exposed to a force that requires the concrete to flex or move. The concrete is unable to do so. It is extremely strong for compressive strength, but extremely weak for tensile strength. If it's forced to absorb any kind of movement like that, it just breaks. That's commonly what causes cracks in concrete. And when you have new concrete that's poured and cracked, it's a combination of these two things that I've talked about which results in the cracks in the concrete. The concrete itself is going to be exposed to forces that are going to demand that the concrete flexes or moves, and ultimately the concrete's not able to do so, so it is going to crack. I hope you found this information helpful.